What's up, guys? Custom Dynamics turn signal eliminator kit. Got it for the Electra Glide. Heat shrink tubing. Phillips head screwdriver. Half-inch wrench. Some wire strippers. And a lighter. Alright. That's our inside of the fender. So it's a little difficult to get to. For sure. Let's get rid of this ugly thing. Huh? Get the bulb there. Set the lens to the side. Just for the sake of the video, I've already gone ahead and loosened these half-inch bolts behind the bar here. Just finished. That's the Custom Dynamics turn signal bar eliminator kit. Oh, it looks so good. I'm really happy with it. Got the built-in license plate light with the LEDs. Yeah, looks really good. I'm happy with it. Thank you, Custom Dynamics. They didn't give it to me for free, but I really enjoy your product. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next one. Right on.